Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of POS Advanced Tags application. It allows you to add the tags to the products and filter them quickly in the POS screen. You can easily apply the multiple tags, search products instantly, and even create the new tags directly from the POS. It's a smooth and efficient way to organize and find the products during POS operations. So here for the first step, I'm just going to navigate to the settings. Under the point of sale, you just have to enable this product tag. After that, I'm just going to the point of sale module, and under the products, you will find product by tag. So here you can see the different tags we have added for the product variants. If you want to create the new tag, you just have to click on this new icon. After that, I'm just going to the products, and under that you will find the product variants, and I'm selecting one product, and under the point of sale you will find one configuration for product by tags. So here you can add the tags for your product. Now I'm just going to the dashboard and continue with the session. Here in the POS screen, you can see the products tag are created. If you want to select the particular tag, you can select, and if you want to select the multiple, you can select the multiple tags also. After that, if you want to create the tag, so you can also create the same. For that, just have to click on this tag icon. So if you want to add the tag, so you can also select, and you can also add the new tag over here. And I'm just going to create and add the same. So you can see the tag is successfully added. I'm just going to confirm the same. So here in the POS screen, you can see a new product tag is successfully added. That I'm just going to select the another product and selecting one tag, and if I want to remove the same, I just have to click on this remove. So you can see the tag is successfully removed for the product. So this how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.